Here's how to access your internet router, and this is the DIY for PC edition. So first, open your PC and go to lowermost rightmost and locate the Wi-Fi signal. You do a right click and then display or the Wi-Fi, then click on the property. So you have different Wi-Fi access name for different PC. Then go to IPv for DNS servers, copy the IP address. So you just right click, then copy the IP address. So mostly common to all router, the DNS servers. But the IP address may be different. From there, open your browser, then type what is on the what you see in the browser and paste the IP address. After that, you will be routed to your internet router. So from here, go to the settings. So it may be look different. Then supply your credential, username and password. Then log in. After logging in, you go to WLAN basic settings. So this is where it houses the access point and your password. So you can locate the password in WLAN key. So you can change this on your desired password, then click apply. So you will be disconnected to the router and you just need to log in again on the new Wi-Fi password.